Welcome back, guys. I hope that you saw last 5 parts of this chapter. Now this is the sixth part. In this part, we are going to find the value of under root numbers which are real and positive, like under root 3.5, under root 2.5, under root 1, under root 4, under root 8. So we are going to find the value of these numbers on the number line. So there are many more quantities like 5.5, 5.8 and 5.6.5. So we are going to find the values of these numbers in the number line. So now let's go to the part. To find this, we need a compass, we need a scale, and we need a pen and a pencil. So these are the essentials that we require to do this. So now let's take, for example, you have to find the value of under root 3.5. To find the value of 3.5, first we draw a line of 3.5 centimeter. So this is the line of 3.5 centimeter. So let's mark this point as A and this point as B, and this is my 3.5 centimeter. So we have to find the value of under root 3.5, and this is my 3.5 centimeter. And from B we draw a line of 1 centimeter in the same line. So this is my 1 centimeter from B, and we will mark this point as C. So BC is 1 centimeter. Okay, now assuming that AC is the radius, so now we will find the midpoint of AC. And you all know how to find the midpoint. We have to take more than half the distance of AC and taking A as the center, mark a point above the line and mark a point below the line. Now by not disturbing the length, so do the same thing from point C, taking C as the center, cut it in below the line and cut it above the line. So as you can see, this is the midpoint here and this is the midpoint here. So now join both the lines, and both the lines are passing from a point from this line. So name this point as O. So this is our midpoint. So now let's draw a semicircle, taking OA as radius, and keep the center at O and the pencil at A, assuming that this is our radius, and we draw a semicircle like this. And as you can see that this semicircle is cutting A and C. And now we will draw a line from B such that it is perpendicular to AC and it intersects the semicircle. So now let's draw a line from B which is perpendicular to AC and which cuts the semicircle, and we draw a line and we mark this point as G. So this is our under root 3. This is the value of our under root 3.5. So this is the value. If you want to represent this on number line, then we will assume B as 0 centimeter and C as 1 centimeter, and from B you can draw a line like this, and this is a 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter. And now we take the compass again, keep the center at B and the pencil at D, and from here you draw an arc like this which should cut the number line. And as you can see, this is the value of BC. This is the value of under root 3.5, and this too is the value of under root 3.5. Just taking this as radius, we will cut that point on number line. So now I will preview how to find this. So as you know, AB equals 3.5 centimeter and BC equals 1 centimeter. So from here we can say that and as we all know, from this we can say that AC is 4.5 centimeter. So to find OB, we will subtract AB minus OA will be OB, and OA equals AC by 2. As you all know that AC is our diameter and OA is our radius. So always radius is half the diameter. So our diameter is 4.5, and half of 4.5 will be 4.5 by 2 will be 2.25. So the value of OB is 2.25. So from here we saw that this is O, this is B. So this is our 2.25 centimeter, and we have to find the value of this, and this is our OD. And as you all know, OA equals OC equals OD, because these all are radius of the semicircle. So the value of all these three numbers is 2.25, and so OD equals 2.25. and as we all know, this is our hypotenuse. OD is our hypotenuse, and OD is 2.25, and our OB will be, so AB minus OA. So our AB is 3.5 and OA is 2.25. So this will be 1.25. So OB is 1.25. So this is our hypotenuse and this is our base. So as we all know that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, and here we have to find the value of perpendicular. So we send the base this side and we get perpendicular square will be base hypotenuse square minus base square. And as you all know, here hypotenuse is 2.25. so that's it, that is 2.25 whole square minus our base is 1.25 whole square, and the value of 2.25 is 5.0625. 2.25 whole square is this, and minus 1.25 whole square of the value is 1.5625, and when we subtract both this we get 3.5. so this is perpendicular square, and when we do under root of both sides we get perpendicular equals under root 3.5. hence we have proved that the value of this line is under root 3.5. BD is 3.5, and taking this distance, when we mark on the number line we get the value of under root 3.5. so like this we have found the value of every real number on the number line. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please share and subscribe, and thank you.